After a 13-year struggle, the High Court has ruled that Woodley Estate is in Nairobi is public property.
While tenants of the estate have been battling new owners who were illegally allocated land by the Nairobi City Council in 1994.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission has been following the case in court from the year 2016 when the Environment and Lands Court was formed.
Well, Mel Miendo visited Woodley Estate to speak to the residents. Take a look.
The calm surrounding Nairobi's Woodley Estate betrays its volatile past. They say walls have ears, and these decades-old walls have a story to tell.
We are young. Oh dear, okay, no.
Sam Gashogo has lived here since 1965. He vividly remembers when things changed and threatened their homes.
In 1994, we learned that some people had bought the houses that we are living in. We reported this matter to the then Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission. I think in 1999, we wrote to them and told them what was going on. The then town clerk, Zifora Wandera, told us to apply, and we did make applications which were sent to her office. She told us to apply to buy these houses. We later came to learn that our houses had been given to other individuals.
Tenants in Woodley Estate say they received no assistance from City Hall at the time. New owners demanded rent payment, yet the tenants were paying rent to the City Council.
They continued collecting rent. Sometimes we'd go there with our rent, they would tell us, why are you paying rent? Go and buy a cow instead, your house has been sold.
In 2006, the then Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission launched investigations into the allocation of land in Woodley Estate. A year later, they filed a suit in court for recovery of the land. It has taken 13 years.
Cases delay for various reasons. We wouldn't want to blame anybody for the delay in the matter. All that we want to say is victory at last. It's a good thing that has happened, and we expect more cases to follow.
EACC recovered 102 title deeds from the estate. The allocation of land has been declared illegal. All the leases that had been issued are now null and void.
I want to give credit to the late Minister for Local Government, the Honorable William Ole Ntimama, who was very instrumental in, in the public getting back this property. He was a witness.
A lot of people who claimed to have bought these houses didn't even know where these houses were. They said they didn't even know that they had a house, because there was somebody in City Hall just writing up allocation letters with their names. Names of big people, high-ranking officials in the government, the judiciary, and so forth.
EACC now intends to conclude the matter as Woodley Estate residents plan to revisit how they can finally buy the houses.
Woodley Estate dates its history back to 1948. 188 bungalows, 86 flats sitting on 100 acres is now public property. Given that Nairobi County is now under the national government, residents here are hoping that that will bring more good news for them. Mel Miendo, NTV in Woodley Estate.